There was a time when even getting out of bed felt impossible. The weight of my own thoughts, the pressure, the anxiety, it all felt too much. But then something changed. It wasn't therapy, it wasn't medication, it was something far simpler: exercise. What if I told you that moving your body could literally save your mind? That a simple walk, a short run, or even a few minutes of stretching could rewire your brain, lift your mood, and help you find peace again. Scientists say exercise releases endorphins, but it's more than chemistry. It's a reset button for your soul. Every drop of sweat was like washing away a layer of pain. Slowly, I started feeling control return. My focus sharpened, sleep improved, and my mind felt lighter. It wasn't about looking fit, it was about feeling free. The gym became my therapy, and movement became my medicine. So if you're struggling right now, start small. Move a little. Breathe deeply. You might just find the strength you've been searching for, not in a pill, but in motion itself. Because sometimes healing begins with a single step.